Shiva se panthana santu. May the journey of your life be peaceful and enjoyable. Normally it is seen that in many traditions, in many religions, regions, people follow the concept of gratitude, repenting, reforming from human beast to human being. For that, they just follow a ritualistic pattern. For a particular time period, I will repent. I'll follow the policy of gratitude. After that, for the full year, nothing doing. The same beasthood. So it's better to follow the policy of contentment, which leads to enjoyment easily. The policy of contentment comes when we know that fruits of every action done either say physically, mentally or intellectually comes into the domain of four categories only. What we thought we received that, we didn't receive anything, total loss, total failure. We got more or less, there isn't any fifth one. If you have experienced, please share the total thing in the comments column. So once we know this thing, when we are established on this principle, the contentment will develop easily. Then there is the use of repenting, reforming, gratitude will follow easily. We don't have to wait for the particular time of the year that, oh yeah, today we have to repent, tomorrow we have to follow the gratitude. Okay, you may say that if a person is totally in a beast level, now if he or she follows the tradition for a particular season, what's harm in it? No, there's no harm. At least for a particular time, say for 10 days, 20 days, like that, one may become a human being. But this video is asking everyone to really become a human being for the total year and not for the time period. Even the particular ritual of every religion, every region asks you to do that. But normally we don't try to see the implied meaning. In many places, even the teachers, masters, don't say that. It's a pathetic situation, no question about that. But we have to deal with it. There's no harm in following the policy of contentment. Just have a try, man. No harm in trying at least. If you don't get the desired result, follow the same old pattern. No harm in it. Choice is open.